Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a brand new video of Binance. In this following video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account in Binance. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you'll have to install Binance application on your device, and once you've installed it, tap on open. And after you open up your Binance application, this is what the interface is going to look like. Now what you need to do is, in order to create an account, you'll have to tap on sign up, which is in the bottom left corner. After you tap on sign up, now you have a multiple option to sign up into your account. So you can either sign up using your email or your phone number or your Google account or your Apple account. So then select the method that is convenient for you. So for this video, I'm going to go with the email as well as the phone number. So you can either select email or your phone number in order to sign up. Now in case if you're going on with email, then first of all, you'll have to enter your email address. And similarly, if you're going with a phone number, you have to enter the phone number. And after that, you have to create a password. So after you're done creating a password, you can even mention your referral ID, that is optional. After you're done providing all of the information, tap on terms and condition and then tap on create an account, which is right at the bottom. So after that, you'll have to verify your email address. So then you'll have to enter the verification code, and once you're done entering, tap on submit, and then you've successfully created an account on Binance. So that is how you can create an account on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.